Welcome back to my channel, Advocate Jayashree's Musings on Law. Today we'll have a brief about Streedhan. The term Streedhan itself explains that it is the wealth of a woman. When we say wealth of a woman, it can mean movable property as well as immovable property. Now, any property which is owned by a woman doesn't become Streedhan. Okay, just because the term says that. Whatever is the property, either movable or immovable, once again I am repeating, which is given to her by her parents before marriage, during marriage, after marriage, all these are termed as Streedhan. Same way, whatever is the property or the movable or immovable, whatever is given to her by her husband after marriage, during the subsistence of marriage. During the subsistence of marriage means when the marriage is still in effect. That is, there is no divorce or no separation. Whatever are the property given to the wife by the husband during such subsistence of marriage is also known as Streedhan. And whatever property she gets out of that Streedhan which she is having becomes her self-acquired property. Streedhan itself refers to self-acquired property of the woman. I don't mean what she purchases, but whatever is given to her by her parents and her husband, these are treated as self-acquired property of that particular woman. So this is a brief about Streedhan, and she can do whatever she wants. Because she is the absolute owner, it is treated as self-acquired property. Therefore, she is this absolute owner. Absolute owner means what? She is the complete owner of it. She can do whatever she wishes with that. So, that is known as Streedhan property, and the power that it carries is, it is treated as a self-acquired property of the woman. Now, whatever is the property, movable or immovable, given to her by her husband or by her parents before, after, during subsistence of marriage. This has to be kept in mind. Once it comes to the topic of the husband, then it is obviously after marriage, whatever he gives to his wife, legally wedded wife, is known as Streedhan. And she has the absolute power over those properties, movable or immovable properties, and she can even sell those and purchase some property for herself. Once again, whatever she purchases can be a movable property or an immovable property, but that will become her self-acquired property. Nobody can say, I gave you that. Husband cannot tell the wife, I gave you that. So how can you sell it and then do whatever you want with it? No. Once the Streedhan is given and it is termed as Streedhan, then she has the absolute rights over it. Same way, parents cannot also say or put any terms and conditions, rather saying that you should keep this and then give it to your daughter or son or something like that. Because once it is given to the daughter before, during or after marriage, it is taken as Streedhan. And she has every right to do whatever she wants with that. Because Streedhan amounts to self-acquired property. Thank you.